Have you guys noticed that these electric cleaning brushes are literally everywhere? And I saw some and I had to get my hands on it just to see what the hype is about, if they're worth the purchase. So I actually got two, one that I use for the bathroom and one I'm going to use for the kitchen. So look forward to another video of me explaining how well it works in the bathroom. But today I'm going to show you in all the areas that I've used it in the kitchen. So this is me just taking it apart from all the packaging, and it does come with like three different scrubbing heads, so like this one, which is sponge one, a metal one, and a brush one. If you look at my previous video, the Christmas one, you'll see that I used it in the bathroom. I used the head in the bathroom, but yeah, so apologies for the lighting. I was trying to make it work, but it wasn't working. But anyway, so I changed the head and I got into the metal scrubbing one so I can clean the cooker. Um, the reason why I changed to this scrubbing head was because I felt like I had a little bit of a build up on there. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out. And honestly, it works okay. And then I had to put some washing up liquid because I had some grease on there. So this is from Christmas, the Christmas cleaning that we ended up doing. Well, my husband did cooking this year, so let's just say there's a lot of work that needed to be done after he had finished. So yeah, I think it worked really well. It works quite well actually. I might do it like on a pot, but we'll look out for another review. So this is me wiping off all the product, and um, honestly, it does remove quite a lot. Look at that. That's just all the buildup that was on the cooker, and I am very happy with how it turned out. And yeah, so I also noticed when I looked up, the hood of our cooker also needed some attention. If you look over here, surface level, it looks clean, but if you look closer, you can see all the buildup over there. And I took the liberty of literally right clean me, just to show how much dust was actually on there. I did not touch this at all for Christmas at all, so this was my Christmas after Christmas deep clean. And I used sieve cream cleaner, and again the magic brush, the scrubbing brush, sorry, not magic brush, the scrubbing brush. And I just scrubbed it. So I changed the head again for this one. And honestly, I think maybe I'm used to manually scrubbing things on my own, but this was like moving in a different direction to where I wanted it to go. But I I don't mind that, but I feel like I'm losing control because I'm so used to scrubbing on my own in the direction that I choose to go to. But apart from that, it works really well. I think it gives like a deep clean. And the reason why I bought it was because I saw somebody scrubbing their bathroom, removing some limescale with it, and I thought, oh, this would be amazing. Let me try it out. So this is me trying out for you guys as well to let you know if you are interested. I'm going to pop the link down below, and you can just purchase it from the link. But yeah, so I also use washing up liquid to remove the dust as well, and the oil that have been building up at the top there. And it didn't take very long to obviously wash all of this off. So this is me now wiping it off and excess product. Overall, it worked really well. I like it. But then I thought, let me do this thing. So this is all after Christmas clean, like I mentioned. I didn't do it all in one day because I ain't got time. But look at that. So that's the sink. And it's got a little bit of hard water. It's not shiny. It's not looking, lovely. So I thought, let me try it out. Again, yeah, it just needed a deep clean, to be honest. Like I mentioned, this is all after Christmas, so Boxing Day I did quite a lot of cleaning. So again, I used this sieve cream cleaner. Absolutely adore this scent. It's really great, and I like how well it really works as well. So I'm using the same head to clean the sink, and like I mentioned before, it obviously I think this would be perfect for people that don't have the strength to do it like deep cleaning and scrubbing and stuff. So for people like me who like cleaning and scrubbing, but I think for people who don't have the ability to really like put pressure and scrub stuff, this brush is amazing. So I think I understand why it's available and why people would use it. But for people like me who love to scrub, this was a little bit of a frustration. I'm not sure if I I can say I don't like it, because I do like it, but I just don't think it's completely necessary, if you understand what I mean. I don't think it's necessary for me to have. Um, yeah, I'm not sure if that makes sense. I like it, I understand the purpose of it, but I think it's just too much. I think I feel like I've got too many products already, and this, it works okay. I've got other, like the Scrub Daddy, that one works amazing. I actually like that. So I don't know. I'll try it out a few more times before I can officially give a final conclusion to whether I like the brush or not. I know it works well. I like how well it works. You know, on the surfaces that it's done. I'm very impressed with how well it works, but I can't say it's my favorite thing. So, look forward to another video. Maybe I'll try different places and see how well it works. But overall, if you guys are interested, I will send the link right below, and you guys let me know what you think. And if you guys have already got one, let me know what you guys think about it. So this is the sink after, nice and shiny. I absolutely love how shiny the sink is. And that's it for me. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.